Today I am going to show you the notes for We Don't Talk About Bruno on my brand new digital piano. I'm going to try teaching a little bit differently today. I'm going to try singing the little phrase and then showing the notes for it. I'm hoping that this will help because, you can hear it and then play it. Okay, that's what we're going for. Okay, let's go. First phrase. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. This lady sings so cringy. Ew. It was our wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. Are you telling the story of a lie? Bruno says it looks like rain. In doing so, he clogs my brain. The next phrase is married in a hurricane. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Okay, the next part's really fast, so I'm going to use a counting method. That way's up on the piano and that way's down. So if I say up, we're going up to this black key. When I say down, we're going that. So we're going to start on this G and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, down. So when I say up, it's the black key. When I say down, we go down like that. So that part again goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down, down. The next pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, up, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, up, down, down. The next pattern goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, down, down, up, up. Next pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, up, down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, up, down, down. That again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, up, down, down. Next part goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, up. And the very last part of the rap is, do you understand? And now it's my favorite part. 7-foot frame rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. He sees your dreams and feeds on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Peel the plastic now off the brand new keyboard. Oh no, it didn't peel the plastic, it just came off. Okay, let's try it. Oh, we're gonna dig it. Okay, we're gonna do it. Here it goes. Here goes. Ooh. Thank you to Donna for sending me this nice, oh, it's gonna come off those buttons. This, oh, it ripped. Oh no, it wasn't satisfying, look. Oh wait, no it is, because it went around the buttons. Thank you to Donna for sending me this nice keyboard. It is a great keyboard for beginners. It's a DP10. This is 3 must-haves that you should have if you're a beginner. Okay, if you're a beginner, you really need a full 88 keyboard or digital piano or real piano. This keyboard that Donna sent to me has full-size piano keys, which means they're exactly like a real piano. And they're semi-weighted, which means they bounce up like a real piano does. And they're also touch sensitive, which means I can push soft or I can push hard and it gets louder and softer. So the closer to a real piano is what you really need as a beginner. So this is a really cool, affordable way to get started. Another aspect is really important is for it to sound like a piano. And it sounds really nice, like a really nice sounding piano, not like a toy. My very first keyboard did not sound like a piano, but it's so cool that nowadays you can get affordable keyboards that look and feel and sound close to pianos, which is really great. This piano also has 8 different sounds, got a lot of drum rhythms on it, and metronome, and you can record with it. This thing started playing songs, but we're gonna go ahead and be done for today with our Bruno song. And I hope you guys have a great day. Okay, bye. Thank you for playing with me today.